I'm meteorologist Bill Ray, sitting at 42 degrees as the sun goes down this Saturday afternoon. Very dry out there. You see the radar trying to pick up some rain to the south. A lot of that not reaching the ground. The air is very dry, but it'll creep our way tonight. Plan on a dry evening. Temperatures in the 40s will drop into the 30s during the evening hours. And you can see there is some snow already starting to be detected on the radar up in upstate South Carolina and out in the mountains from Asheville and our southern mountains. Still dry for the most part in Boone and Greensboro. So here's what we've got going on. A winter storm warning in this purple for 3 to 6 inches of snow more west. I mean, up to a foot of snow in the western part of this warning area, and a wintry mix Sunday afternoon in this purple area, in the magenta area. The purplish blue area is a winter weather advisory. 1 to 3 inches of snow changing to rain in the afternoon from Wilson to Smithfield, Dunn, and Fayetteville. Here's how I've drawn the map based on that warning, and some of the models I've looked at is in the blue area, if you live there, and it could include Roxborough, parts of Orange County even, and definitely into Alamance County, anywhere from a half foot to foot of snow possible. It'll stay mainly snow, but there is a little icy potential in the afternoon mixing in, but this is mainly snow. In the white area, Siler City, Durham, and Henderson and South Hill, Virginia, look for 3 to 6 inches of snow, mainly Sunday morning in a wintry mix with some snow and freezing rain and sleet in the afternoon. And in the pink area, Pinehurst, Sanford, Smithfield, Raleigh, near Rocky Mount Wilson, Fayetteville, right on the edge of this, 1 to 3 inches of snow Sunday morning, then a wintry mix, and then it looks like it might change over to just rain Sunday afternoon and into the evening hours. So that includes Raleigh and Smithfield, but not Durham. So you can see there'll be a dividing line right through the triangle. And in the green area, Greenville, Goldsboro, Clinton, and right at the southern part of Fayetteville, look for an early bit of snow, early mix of snow and freezing rain. Then it's going to definitely change over to rain, and any snow accumulation should be less than an inch. So we've got some models here. We'll look at the American model, and it's trying to show potentially the heavier snow out to the west, but a little bullseye over the triangle. This is one of the heavier amounts for the triangle. I doubt we're going to see that, as I mentioned in Raleigh, 1 to 3 inches. The Raleigh number you're seeing here is the Raleigh-Durham International Airport, 5 inches, 7 inches in Durham in the European model, with the heaviest stuff like maybe a possible foot up into Roxborough. This goes more in line with the most precise model we have in the short term, which is our in-house precision forecast model, which would pick up most of the heavier snow up to the northwest of us, and it just kind of went away because we went into Tuesday and it doesn't go that far out. Now, there could be a little bit of freezing rain come our way. As we mentioned, you'll see the pink where there's a possibility of a little bit of freezing rain. If you get up to over 1/4 of an inch, that's when we worry about the possibility of power lines. You see that down in Southern Pines, but most of the icing, if we get some, should be pretty light. So that's some good news there. So let's go through the future cast. We got you at midnight. Just cloudy skies, and then you see some snow possible Sunday at 2 a.m., and then we're going to look for widespread snow Sunday at 4 a.m. You see Fayetteville right on the line there between rain and freezing rain. The pink is the mixture. Mainly snow at 6 a.m., mainly snow at 9 o'clock, but notice how it's changed over to rain in Fayetteville, Smithfield, and Wilson. Rocky Mount still picking up some snow. We head toward noon, and there's the possibility, as I mentioned, see that snow could change over to rain in the triangle, stay mainly snow up in Roxborough, and be a mix from Durham back through Chapel Hill. And there's the possibility, according to our in-house futurecast model, that late tomorrow afternoon, the entire triangle could just be rain, and it could still be snowing, though, up in Roxborough and back through Greensboro. And then as we head into Sunday night, some of that back around could have a mixture as temperatures drop, but most of the precipitation will be cutting off, even though we could still see some on Monday. So your forecast then for tomorrow, I've got highs just above freezing, 100% chance we're going to get something out of the system, but mainly in Raleigh, snow in the morning, maybe changing over to rain in the afternoon. The Durham area, snow and a mix, and maybe some rain only in the afternoon with some mixture possible, and definitely some mixture to start in Fayetteville and ending up as only rain with that high of 37 degrees. We'll have a complete forecast tonight after the Navy-Army football game, and of course, more updates coming up tonight at 11. We'll see you then. Thanks for checking us out on the web.